Hello and welcome back. In this how-to short, we're going to look at changing materials on static meshes and spline mesh blueprints. For the static meshes, it's pretty straightforward. We'll select the mesh, then come over here to the right menu, Details panel. We will go to the materials. Here we see our road material. We go to Browse to, and there is our current road material. If we want to change this, we'll look over here under the roads folder and materials and material instances. Say I want to set this to the second road type material. So we'll select the 4K road 2 and then the road surface I want for a standard road piece static mesh is the Omni tagged material. We'll select that. Back over here, we'll use the arrow button and put that on. There it is. Now with blueprints, it's a little bit different, but it's not hard. We'll select our blueprint. Then we need to go to the mesh that the blueprint is using to create the spline mesh. Over here, under mesh, under spline, then under mesh, and then under spline meshes. So if these are not dropped down, just drop them down. We'll open mesh and spline meshes. Here we'll see the static mesh that it's using. We'll go ahead and use the browse to. There's the static mesh piece. Double click on that to open it. Move the camera so we can better see it. There is static mesh section. Here we see the materials that are being used. This is the road material right here on element 3. We'll use the browse to button. And there's our road material. Let's change this to concrete. We'll go with concrete road 1. And then, same thing, we'll use the arrow to apply it into element 3. There's the change, and on our main viewport we can see change is applied. That's it for this how-to short. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to do so you can stay up to date on any videos I make about my products or any new features that are coming. I appreciate your patronage, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.